How to change the lock screen picture in Windows in just a few simple steps. First, click on the Start button and open Settings, or press the Windows key plus I on your keyboard to get there faster. Now click on Personalization, and then select Lock Screen from the left side menu. You'll see an option called Personalize your lock screen. Click the drop-down next to it and you'll get a few options. Windows Spotlight, which automatically rotates beautiful images from Microsoft, Picture, which lets you choose your own photo, and Slideshow, which cycles through a folder of your chosen images. If you select Picture, click the Browse Photos button and pick any image from your computer that you want to use as your lock screen. If you go with Slideshow, you can add a folder of photos and Windows will cycle through them automatically. Once you make your selection, it applies right away. No extra steps needed. And if you ever want to switch it up, just come back to the same screen and pick something different. And that's it. Changing your lock screen picture in Windows takes just a minute and is a great way to make your device feel a little more personal.